Hey guys, my name is Layla Malgosa, and the top three fascinating facts that I learned this semester is one, knowing that there's other stars bigger than the sun when the sun is 864,000 miles in diameter. That blows my mind. Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most other planets, which is called retrograde rotation. That's pretty cool, rotating in the opposite direction, and that only 18 out of 40 missions to Mars have been successful. Only 18 out of 40. That is crazy. And then just one more. I think that it's cool that, we live in Arizona and there's so many dust storms all the time, and some of them are pretty crazy. But Mars is actually has the largest dust storm out of the whole entire solar system. So that is definitely something to think about. And yeah, those are the top four that I think are fascinating.